Hey guys, welcome back. Today I am going to show you everything that I recently purchased at Sephora. They just had a lot of sale items, and for a short period of time, all those sale items you could take an additional 20% off. So everything I'm going to show you was that sale, and I just went to my post office box. I made it there just in time, and I have my two packages from Sephora. So I'm going to open them with you. I cut them open, but I haven't torn into them yet. And I also ordered something before for the same sale they had, but it wasn't in any of these packages. So I'll show you that first. This is the Becca Light Chaser Highlighter for face and eyes. Oh, I didn't realize it was for eyes too. This is Pearl Flashes Gold. This is what the unit carton looks like. Very holographic. Love the packages. Pearl Flashes Gold. I love the little compacts. I think they're so cute. They almost look like little UFOs. I don't know. I think they're adorable. This color is supposed to be like an opal with some gold reflex in it. So that's what it looks like. And I will swatch it for you. Look at that cute little mirror. Alright. So we'll do a little swatch. That's what it looks like. And then swatch. Ta-da! That is the swatch. Oh, that looks very yellow to me. Okay, I rubbed it in a little bit so you can see what it looks like. Okay, that's different. Oh, I need to get one of my wipes. So that came in a different package. Now I have these two boxes to open up and show you. I love haul videos. I love watching them. I love making them. And I hope you guys like them too. But obviously if you don't, you won't watch it. Alright, so next up, we'll get into one of the boxes. Now, one item that I did purchase is a very controversial eyeshadow palette. I'm just going to say that for now. See if you can figure it out. It's not in this box, it's in the next box. So in this box, they always do, so you can always pick out 3 samples at the end in your checkout cart. Sometimes the samples don't end up in the box. I've had it happen several times. Sometimes you don't get the samples you chose, so they must have ran out and just thrown whatever in there. But for my samples, I have Women by Ralph Lauren, which I actually already have this one. And this Victor and Rolf Bonbon scent. And then Because It's You, Emporio Armani. Okay. So yes, I already have the Women by Ralph Lauren. If anyone wants to try it, I'd be happy to mail it to you. So let me know in the comments. And then they always have these deals, these little promotions, like if you spend $25 or more, pick out a free gift, and there'll be several gifts to choose from. Or sometimes it's $35 or more, and you have gifts to choose from. So I did that. I spent over $35. I actually just bought one palette, one new eyeshadow palette that I'm really excited to show you. And so since it was over $35, I got to pick one of their little sample packs. There were 3 to choose from. I got the lights, something about lights is what it was called. There were 3 different choices anyway. Okay, it doesn't say. So it looks like I got the Kat Von D Lock-It Concealer Cream to try. I don't know, I've heard that this one, maybe it's not the same one, but I've heard that one of these are pretty drying. And then the Fenty Beauty by Rihanna foundation samples, which is good because I have another one of these, but one might not be enough. So now I will definitely have enough to do it on my face one time to try it out. And of course it came in this cute little Sephora pouch. And let's see what else it came with. So we have Urban Decay Vice Special Effects. I think this is, what is this? 12 Shades of the Vice Special Effects. Oh, okay, so it's the Vice Liquid Lipstick. Oh, these look cool. So there's, oh, that's really cute. There's 4 little samples of the lipstick. Okay, so Clinique. It's looks like a lip prep start. So it's the Pout Perfection Balm and the Restoring Night Mask. I do have a lip mask that I wear at night that I use and I love. But I will absolutely give this one a try. I love testing out new skincare products. I just love it. And then, oh my god, there's a bunch of samples in there. Okay, so we have the Living Proof Perfect Hair Day 5-in-1 Styling Treatment. We have a NARS liquid blush. I don't think I've ever tried a liquid blush, so this will be neat to try. This is in the color Orgasm. I think this is a good color, a pretty popular color. Greek Yogurt Smoothie Priming Moisturizer for all skin types by Course. Okay, so that'll be cool to try. And then there's a Kiehl's Creamy Eye Treatment with Avocado. And there's a Kate Somerville, I don't think I've heard of this, Wrinkle Warrior 2-in-1 Plumping Moisturizer Serum. Okay, one use, 100% showed improvements in the look of wrinkles. Well, we will just have to see about that. And there's, the Too Faced Hangover 3-in-1 Replenishing Primer and Setting Spray. I've been wanting to try that. How cute is that? So that's cool because I've really been wanting to try that. And then it looks like 2 more fragrances. Versace Bright Crystal and Stella McCartney. So there's that. And that's everything that came in the little pouch because I purchased this amazing palette that I'm really excited about. The Too Faced Chocolate Gold. So this is what the unit carton looks like. On the back it shows you the colors and their name. Open it up. I'm so excited to play with this palette. I cannot even tell you. Comes with a little how-to glamour guide. It shows you some looks that you can create. Oh wow, I like that one. That one looks really cool. So, this is so gorge. So gorge. I'm so excited. Metallic Matte Eyeshadow Palette made with 100% natural cocoa powder and real gold. Now, some say gold is not good for your skin. Some say it is. I do have a face mask that has gold in it that I use. Take decadence to the next level with a luxurious gold and cocoa powder infused eyeshadow palette that smells as good as it looks. Have a major metallic moment with foiled shadows that are created with real gold for an epic high shine finish that's paired with rich, seductive mattes for coffee to cocktails wear. All shadows feature a soft, velvety texture with full coverage payoff. The entire palette is infused with skin-loving cocoa powder for a decadent chocolate scent. Open it up. Oh, how gorgeous is that, you guys? Tell me in the comments below if you guys have this palette and if you've tried it and if you've come up with some really cool looks using it and what you think. So I've been watching some videos and a lot of people are really happy that they included the 4 mattes. So right here they have the 4 mattes and then all the rest look to be the shimmer shades and the metallic shades. So there's just so many different colors in here. I think I can create a lot of different looks and I am so excited. I will definitely be doing a video swatching this palette for you guys, and I'm also thinking of doing a video with a tutorial of 2 to 3 different looks using this eyeshadow palette, so let me know what you think of that, if that's something you'd be interested in watching. Okay, so that was this that I was so excited to get, and then one more box with a few things in it, and this contains the eyeshadow palette that has a lot of buzz around it. It's been out for a while, but a lot of people aren't happy with it because I think the blending, it doesn't blend as well, and there's a lot of fallout, and it's not up to par with this company's regular eyeshadow palette. So if you haven't guessed by now, it is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Subculture palette. I had to get it, I had to see it for myself. It's such a good deal, so we're talking, it was already discounted to $33.60, I believe, and then with the 20% on top of that, it was around $27. I have never used an ABH eyeshadow palette, so I'm really excited. This probably isn't the best one to start with, but that's okay. I'm good with that. The thing I really like about this palette is it has more mattes. You can see, though, on, like, that eyeshadow, there's a little bit of, like, loose powder on the top, but I like that it's more mattes in it, and these are like a wide range of matte different colors, which I need in my collection so that I can do more greens or you know, like purple tones in my crease instead of always using brown. So I'm really excited about this. It looks like this one and this one and this one are your shimmer or metallic shades. I'm just so excited to try this and see for myself, and the brush is actually dual-ended, I just noticed. If I can get it out. So it looks like it has your fluffy crease brush and then a little bit more of a precise brush. I am just really excited. I think I'm going to have fun with it. I definitely want to own the Modern Renaissance and the Prism palette, so that is on my wish list. I started a yearly planner. I was also thinking of doing a video showing my yearly planner. I've never really done one or stuck with it, so I'm excited. And I have like my wish list. When there's something that I really, really want, I write it down in there, and hopefully, you know, some point this year I will be able to check off my wish list one by one. So I definitely do want the Modern Renaissance and the Prism palette. I'll show you this one more time. I wasn't planning on doing any videos with this unless in the future I use it in a Get Ready With Me or something like that. But if you want to see this swatched or want to see a tutorial on several looks, let me know and I would do that for you. Now there's a couple more things, of course. The let's see, what is this? Now that just looks like it fell out. I don't know. Right, that I ordered already. So I did get 3 samples. This is a daily exfoliating and clarifying treatment. Tata Harper, 100. Okay. What is it? Oh, okay. So it's a cleanser. So I'll try that, and then 2 fragrances: the Viva La Juicy Glace, and then Juicy Couture Royal Rose. So those are the samples, and then 2 more things that I purchased. I purchased the 2 of these Rainforest of the Sea Tarte lipsticks. So these were on sale. Oh crap, I can't remember now. How much were these? I can't remember how much these were. Well, anyway. So also I wanted to tell you that the Becca highlighter was on sale for $17 with the 20% off. So I got it for $13.60. And then these 2 lipstick, I just can't remember right now what they were, but they were, you know, already on a sale price. You know what? I think these were a weekly wow, and then a 20% off on top of that. And I got 2 nude colors, Sunkissed and Salt Life. I will swatch these for you. So I looked at videos of swatches of these to help me pick out the colors that I wanted. So we'll start with Salt Life. Oh my gosh, I've never owned this lipstick line, any of the lipsticks in this line. I think this packaging is awesome. I love it. Absolutely love it. Okay, so I'll swatch this one. That is so pretty. I love it. I love the packaging. I really, really like it a lot. So that's Salt Life. And then this one is Sunkissed. What are you doing? Okay, my cat is getting into my box. Of course. Alright, so this one is Sunkissed. So you have Salt Life and Sunkissed. And that's what those 2 colors look like. Great nude colors. One's more of a peachy and one's more of a mauve. So that is everything that I bought on the Sephora sale on sale. I'm so excited to play with all this stuff. I told you guys about, you know, the video I want to do, a couple of videos for the chocolate gold palette. Definitely do a swatch video of that, and I want to create some looks and do tutorials on that. And this is everything I bought. I'm hoping to go on a bit of a no-buy. I did purchase some drugstore products, and I want to maybe purchase here and there some more drugstore products because I don't own a lot. And I want to do a drugstore makeup haul once I, you know, have an abundance of it to show you guys. But other than that, I'm going to try to settle down on my buying makeup for a little while anyway. So this is it for this haul video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I really hope that you would subscribe to my channel before you go if you're not already subscribed. And if you hit the notification bell, you'll be notified when I upload videos. And I will see you guys next time. Have a great day. Bye.